just going to make the blushing wheel hexagon. I thought I may as well do it on camera since I've done the others on camera. So you need your 4mm crochet hook, yarn, scissors, embroidery scissors, yarn needles, and your yarns, which are the blush, the slate and the white for this one. So this one is do your slip knot and then chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then put your hook into the first stitch, grab some yarn and pull it through. Nice and easy, and we're getting used to that now. Now, first round is chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now 1 treble, 3 chains. Okay, so yarn over, because it's UK terms, so it's a double in US terms. Yarn over, hook into the ring, pull some yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then chain 3. And then what we do is we do that another 4 times. So 1 treble, 1, and chain 3. That's 2 more times, the treble and the chain 3. This is the 3rd time. And the final time. So do a treble and chain 3. Remember, trebles are double in US terms. And then we join with the slip stitch, the 3rd stitch of the chain 6. So here's the chain 6. So there's the first stitch, 1, 2, 3. So we need to join, push our hook into that stitch, grab some yarn, pull it through, and pull through the loop on our hook. We've got this kind of wheel effect going on. That's our centre, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sort of circles coming off it. Now the second round, slip stitch into the next space. So you want to put your hook into this space here, pull your yarn through and pull it through the loop on your hook. Then you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now we put 4 trebles into that space. So yarn over, hook into that space there. We're not going to the centre, we're going to that space, and put your treble in there. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what you've got in there is 1, 2, 3, 4 trebles and your first chain, which counts as a treble. So you've got sort of a group of 5 in there, okay? And then chain 2 and then put 5 trebles in the next one, and then just repeat that around. So that's 1, whoops, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 2 and 5 into the next one, and just keep carrying on that around until you've got 5 in every one of those little circles that you made. third chain space. Okay, so you've got now your wheel with 5 little sets coming off each side. Okay, now it tells you to finish off, so I'm going to finish that off by pulling the yarn through, and we'll sew it in later. And then it says to join it. So we've joined it into the chain 2 space, and then we chain 2. So 1, 2. So now in that space we want to put, move it across to the side. In that space we want to put a treble, a double in US terms, a double treble, which is yarn over twice, put your hook in, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, a treble, yarn over, pull through 2, and a half treble. So that's yarn over, hook in, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all 3 on your loop, on your hook, on your hook. That's why we ended up, that's why we started with a 2, because it's sort of the size of 2 stitches. And then chain 2, miss 2 stitches. So if you look across here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the first one you want to miss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first one you miss is here. Second one you miss is there. And so in the third one, 1 half treble. So yarn over, pop into that third one, pull through all 3 on your hook, 2 chains, and then into the next space, 1 half treble, 1 half double in US terms, 1 treble, that's a double in US terms, 1 double treble, which is a treble in US terms, 1 treble, again a double in US terms, and a half treble, which is a double in US terms. And then you chain 2, miss 2 spaces, and do your half treble again. So here's your stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 1, 2. So it's your half double goes into the third one, chain 2, and then you repeat the sequence again in this side into the next chain. Chain 2, and then join to the top of your chain 2, where you will slip stitch and finish off. And that's your grey finish now. So pull that through, and assuming they've given plenty of yarn to allow for big tails and stuff. I was going to stitch that in when I did stitch them in quite a bit, so I'm going to snip those off now. There we go. So we're on our way. The next is white, and we're going to join the white after any double treble. So our double treble is the tallest stitch in each of these sort of petals. So we're going to go in after one of those and just sew it on to be sure. And now what we're going to do, we're going to grab our yarn, pull it through, one chain, and then we're going to put one double crochet in the next space. That's yarn, hook in, pull yarn through. That's just a single crochet in US terms. Then we're going to miss a stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, 2 half trebles in the next 2 spaces, one double crochet in the next stitch, miss a stitch, 2 double crochets in the space before the double treble, 1 chain, 2 double crochets in the space after the double treble, miss a stitch, double crochet into that stitch, half trebles into the next 2, spaces, before your double treble, and then chain 1 and slip stitch to the top of that first chain 2 that you did, and that's your pattern. And then we're going to join the blush to any 1 chain space. Now if you remember, our 1 chain spaces were between what will carrying us over the triple, okay, or the double treble, or whatever it was, triple double, whatever we called it. So pull that through and join it. Join it on. So I'm just going to tie it. Give it a couple of knots. And then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And I think this will be a case of more or less trebles all the way around. Yeah, 1 in the next 10 stitches. So the next stitch is actually here. So 1, 2, and 10. And that'll bring us to the next chain space, you see. 1 treble into the chain space, 2 chains and 1 treble. You see again, that's to make a corner. Stitches, space, stitches in 1 stitch. And then we just go round and round. So we go back and we do 10 along the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, into the 3rd chain from the first chain 3 and pull through, and that's another one finished. There we go. That was another part of the whole